Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about my succulent. This is a different video and I just had to share it with you. I bought this succulent from IKEA. It's going to be 2 years and it keeps on giving me babies. Look at them. So I want to keep one just to be on the safe side if this dies, right? We don't know what will happen. So I don't know. I'll keep this one here. So what I do is it's been giving me babies like non-stop. It blossoms orange, and I did share it on my Instagram page. Okay. So the soil that I use is Miracle potting mix. Okay, and so I want to move this soil as well. See how? Okay, as you can see, there's lots of roots. So I thought this would be perfect to share you this video. So I'm just gonna gently remove this succulent from the pot. Keep these pots when you're separating succulents or any other plants that you have. Oh, look at the root. Yeah, I think it was time to change the soil because there's not much soil left. Look at this, and it's moist. Like I'm touching it. It's moist. I water once a week. Okay, there's no soil in here. Let me just try to separate this without damaging the root. But I need to what I'll do is I'll put this here, and I'll put a little more Miracle Grow. Looks like rooted. Look at this. Okay, so before I do that, I'm going to separate the babies. I'm just going to wash my hand because I don't want the babies to get dirty. So what I'll do is, I wasn't successful rooting the leaves. I tried, but I'm going to try again. So gently, it's already rooted. Can you see? Oops. Can you see? It's already rooted. So remove this one. See? There's roots already. Okay, there's... Oh, I did not see this one here. Just clicks easily. Just try not to damage the mummy. I did not plant these outdoors because I live in Edmonton, Canada, and it's really cold here. So yeah. Oh, one of them fell. Let me try putting this on the soil and see. You can see the small baby leaves fell. Oopsie. Here we go. Can you see? 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, oops, I broke the leaf, one of the leaves. Too bad. Let me just remove that broken. So this is the mummy. It's less than 2 years old and it keeps on giving me babies. Okay, so I am going to plant this back to the pot. So I'm just gonna grab some soil. I have eggshells that I cut into pieces. Oopsie. Okay, so let me just I'm just gonna try to loosen up. Just like, see, there's a huge root here. Okay, so I don't think that's gonna fit in. Let's try it this way. Okay, here's the name of the succulent. It's Latin, I believe. Echeveria. So that is the Sweden. This is the IKEA of Sweden. Okay, this is the date that it was last year. So no, 2 years ago. So 2 years of October. It must have been just after October. See, it gives you sunlight, like sunlight. It does blossom, water. So I'm gonna push it a little bit. And then like I said, I water it once a week. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back. So that's gonna be a big relief for the mummy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just going to remove these. The soil is not bad, so I'm going to reuse these, the soil. Why not? Soil is moist, and I'm picking up the small leaves because I don't want it to, you know, go in the soil. This is the eggshell piece, so that will help. Calcium will help. There's lots of soil here mixed with Miracle Grow. So I am going to plant two, and I sell them for $5. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, right here. Just like this. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hands because I don't want the leaves to get dirty. Okay, and supposed to be another one here, and I made a hole. These are just, I don't have any plant pots left, unfortunately. Yeah, so there's two. I don't think I'm gonna have enough. Well, let's try it. I might plant this. I might just put the leaves like this. Oh, this one's broken. Yeah, so two for now. And I will spray. It's still moist for 3 days later. What I'll do is I'll just spray water. Still have soil here. Okay, and I'll just empty these in here. Just like this. Oh, this is really fun to have baby succulents. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hand and I will be right back. Okay, I washed my hands and here we go. So I'm just gonna poke a little bit. So this is what I do. I've been selling summer, winter. They sell so fast because this is the easiest way to care for these succulents. So I'm just going to remove this leaf and I will soak that right in there. These succulents, they love, oh, I have a tiny. They love water. I water them once a week, soak it, and then, yeah, so I plant one big one, and the next one is going to be a baby, smaller one. Guess this one came out. Okay. Maybe I can plant a small one here, but no, I think this is enough. So it's a wooden spoon, I'm just pressing it. Try not to water the leaves. I don't know, I never did. I just watered the, what you call it, watered the soil. Okay. And add more soil. These are really expensive. Like we have Save On Food just right behind my house in a fancy vase like this, a fancy pot. They're selling it for $30 and just one succulent. See, I bought this from Valley Village here. This one I bought it from IKEA. I even have the price on. Let me see how much I paid. I thought I had the price on, but there's no price. Oh well. I think both of them came to $10. Yeah, if I don't forget. Yeah, I think so. Okay, and this is how you plant. I hope this video helped, because I checked. No one is showing you the details, right? I wouldn't water it because there's still soil. The soil is moist. Yeah, I wouldn't water. Okay, so here's one for $5. But I don't sell it right away. I wait, I don't know, for a month. It gets bigger, and then that's when I sell it. So I don't sell it this tiny, just to point out. And I am going to continue with one big one. Here's the one that I rooted. I put it in a water like this. So just push your fingers a little bit so it will pick up. Nothing to worry about. And then I will plant a small one, another one here. So $5 Canadian. I think that's a decent amount, right? Oops. Oopsie. With everything being so expensive, yeah, I can't keep them because I don't want too many plants in my house. I used to. I had this lady, I went to visit her. She had cancer. You know what, the first thing she said, "Oh my God, you have lots of plants in your home." She never said anything all these years. And then when I went to visit her, I said, I only have one plant. The snake plant I have. It's from my, the baby I took from the mother. So here we go. So I hope you like this video. It's a short, yeah, 3 days later, just give water. Lately I've been using distilled water. I don't know, in the summer I would highly recommend because it gets flies. I don't know where those flies comes from. But yeah, I think distilled water would be best in the summer. In the winter you can water with tap water. But let the water rest. I put it in my flower pot, plant pot, and it stays there. So that's what I flower with. It stays there for a couple of days. Yeah, and the mummy is here, so the mummy will blossom again, hopefully, give more babies. Who knows? The top I had to cut because it gave me a huge one. I sold that one as well. And yeah, you never know. I'm just looking in between if there are any babies. Because it's usually between the leaves. Well, you guys take care, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.